Hey guys, I just wanted to share this quickly with you in case you needed to do any log entries and are either new to PowerSchool or have forgotten. We'll be using log entries a lot, not just for behavior if there's an issue going on, but also we have several students on SIT or behavior concerns or something like that, that documentation is needed. So from here, you'll go to the backpack and click on the student. I'm sure Brody has a lot of log entries. From this, you will go down to submit log entries, and then you put the explanation of the event, whether they left 4 times to go to the bathroom, whatever it is with that situation with that student. Subject could be if it's a discipline issue that Mr. Popple needs to follow through with, or just documentation. You could just put documentation only right here on the subject and then enter that in and submit. And then I'll show you what it looks like on our end. So submit, then I'll go on the after you submit a log entry, an email goes directly to Mr. Koppel and myself. But it also goes on, this is our end of PowerSchool. We would be able to see the log entry, and it has the date and all of the information, who it was made by and then what it was. So that way we would be able to track and see, okay, all of these were documentation, all of those were however it would be. So your name would be here, not guest teacher. But that is how you submit a log entry. Have a great day.